Okay. Huh? Ah! Whew. Oh my god, I just spilled sauce everywhere! What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, hello, I'm Keaton. So today's video is going to be a new series on my channel that I am starting per all of you requests. I went on Instagram Live and I asked you guys, what do you guys want to see? And you guys said cooking videos. And I was like, well, I don't know how to cook, but I will definitely try. So I decided I thought it would be funny if not funny, but interesting, if I looked online and tried to do recipes for the very first time that I haven't ever done before for these cooking videos. So I really wanted to learn new recipes because I do the same 5 over and over and over. So I figured this video series will help me get into new recipes and show you guys how to not do some of these. I'm sorry I look like a little like whatever today. I'm just wearing sweatpants, but I think that in the future I want to get an apron for these videos. I think that that'll be cute. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the red button down below. You guys can like this video as well, but let's get into it. So today we're making lasagna. My mom makes amazing lasagna, and every single time I go home I say, hey, can you please show me how you make your lasagna? I would love to make it when I'm in Arizona, blah, blah, blah. And because she hates me so much, she never tells me and she never shows me. So I'm just kidding, Mom. I know you would show me if like I sat there and watched. But anyway, I went to the store and I got all the things and I looked up a random lasagna recipe. And so we're gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients. The first thing you have to have is one of these 9 by 13 pans. I'm literally gonna be making a whole thing of lasagna. And I live by myself, so that's really cool. I went and got Rayo's marinara sauce. I hope this is enough. I hope that's enough, honestly. And then I got lasagna noodles. I actually bought 2 boxes of these because I thought for some reason I was gonna need 2, and now that I'm looking at it, I definitely only need 1. Anyway, I got shredded Parmesan. We have all the other like seasoning stuff here. We've got parsley, garlic, pepper, salt. I've got 2 things of cottage cheese, which honestly, I don't know why I didn't think about what cheeses were in lasagna, but when I was buying cottage cheese, I was like, this is kind of gross. Like, I feel kind of disgusted, but whatever. And then I got mozzarella. So I can already tell there's gonna be a problem with the mozzarella situation because they didn't have shredded mozzarella at the store. We only had the sliced mozzarella. So therefore, I don't know how I'm gonna like sprinkle this in, but we're gonna try our best because I don't even have a cheese grater. Oh, I almost forgot the meat, the beef. And we have ground beef here. Okay, so moving on. I haven't even read through these instructions, so I'm kind of nervous. Step 1 says, in a large skillet over medium heat, brown the ground beef. I'm already wrong. Brown the ground beef, drain the grease, and then you add spaghetti sauce and simmer for 5 minutes. How much spaghetti sauce? Why is it like not telling me amounts? Do I add? I think I add all of the spaghetti sauce. All right, well, this is probably a fire hazard setting the tripod up here, but we're gonna do it because I want you guys to see what I'm doing from 2 different angles. Like, I'm really professional, but I'm gonna take this, I don't know why, like ground beef, just like ground meat. Makes me sick. We have a saucepan and we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. I don't know, I like to do that with meat, even though I guess it's not really necessary. Like, you can just kind of put the meat in there. Woo! Oh my god. Okay. There we are. There's the ground beef. Wow. You know, if you're vegan or vegetarian or whatever, just don't watch this video because this is honestly gonna be kind of absolutely disgusting, but okay. Wait, why is that inside? Wait, I'm confused. The ground beef, like when I opened it up, it was already gray. Like as if it, what does that mean? So I just Googled it and it says that it's due to the lack of exposure to oxygen, which would make sense because it was wrapped up in something. I literally bought it last night and put it in the fridge this morning. So it says it's not spoiled. If the meat would have been gray all around on the outside, then it would be spoiled, but the inside is fine. I don't know, but we're gonna go with it. I think maybe I can just like cook the, you know, the gray out. Meat is done, and now it says to drain the grease. This is all I have. So, oh my God, I don't know if this is gonna work. This already looks so bad, but I'm gonna take this Raos marinara, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be over medium heat or not, but I'm gonna put the heat on. Oh, it's supposed to simmer. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do half and then mix in the other half after this. You know what I always realize when I'm watching YouTube videos? Like, you know when you're watching someone do something wrong in a video and you so badly just want to tell them like, yo, that is not right, but you can't because it's a video. I just know so many of you guys are gonna be like, this is not right, but you can't tell me because this is the past and you're watching this in the present time, and that's just not how, you know, the clock works. This actually smells pretty good. The only thing I'm concerned with is like they didn't have me season any of this meat or anything, which I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I'm sure it's fine, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw in some garlic in here because I feel like, I don't know, they didn't have me season it, the recipe didn't. This is probably like not even something you need to do, but I am absolutely seasoning this with garlic. I just feel like it's weird. Okay, so the meat is simmering, but as I was doing that, I started reading the rest of the recipe and realized I was going off of a recipe that has uncooked, you do uncooked noodles. So it was basically the recipe I read over was just like a super simple, like easier one of doing uncooked noodles in the pan. I don't want that. I want to boil my noodles first. I'm sure it tastes fine with them uncooked in the pan, but I'm gonna boil my noodles first, my lasagna noodles, before I do the layering as opposed to doing just dry noodles. I just feel like that's like weird. So I also read in the recipe, I should have got ricotta cheese, but I didn't because in the dumb recipe I found first, it recommended cottage cheese. I'm not even a huge cottage cheese fan. Like I should have got ricotta, but it just, here we go. I'm taking the, oh my God, if I busted every single one of these. I've literally never held a lasagna noodle in my hand in my life. This is kind of cool. I kind of feel like really cool. Okay, we're dropping, oh, I wonder how many I need. Probably more than 4, right? Like maybe like 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna do 7 just in case. Let's like see how many I truly need. So we've got the noodles going. I am going to spray this pan down so it doesn't stick. And then I think we do the meat mixture first and then we add a noodle on top. I can't wait to post this on my Instagram tonight and be like, I cooked lasagna. But I'm really upset about not having ricotta. I'm really mad that the one recipe I chose was like a bootleg, not cute recipe for me. How do I get the noodle to like go all the way in? You know, this is just like not gonna work. Do they just drop in on their own? Like, come on, get in there. I don't have time for this. I'm trying to, woo! Oh yes, honey, boil me. I will link below the actual recipe that you guys should follow down below. It's off of the website, I think, Delish. So now that we have that going, we're gonna boil the noodles for about 4 to 5 minutes. They're gonna get al dente. God knows what that means, but hopefully they come out looking right. And then we're going to put the meat inside the pan. While we do that, let's make the cheese mixture with my cottage cheese. I don't know if I could do it. You know how in cooking videos they have like camera crews in the kitchen, but it doesn't even look like it. Like you never even see that there's like 12 different cameras there. That's obviously not what's gonna happen. So anyway, here we have a beautiful bowl, and I'm going to take this cottage cheese. This is only 16 ounces, so I think I'm gonna throw, oh, I don't know why it looks gross, but woo, okay. All right, she is gross. All right, she's looking lumpy, she's looking thick, she's looking like, I'm literally using scissors because, whew, really quickly, my noodles are done, so I'm gonna take this pot and I'm gonna drain them. I did everything out of order. Like, none of this makes sense. Okay, come on. Ha! Ah! Oh, I think I broke this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in the parsley. I love how I got dried parsley and not like fresh chopped parsley, but you know what? This just explains like every single thing I do. It's just always like one step off. She also said you can add some garlic powder in there, so I'm adding some garlic, and I'm also gonna add some pepper and salt. I'll throw it here. I was watching one of Maddie Bragg's cooking videos the other day, and she was talking about people who use pepper that's like pre-ground pepper and how it's like bad, and I was like, wow, I guess I need to go get some pre-ground pepper. Anyway, I'm gonna mix this up. This is honestly, it smells really good in here. This doesn't look like my favorite thing ever, but it does smell good. This looks like so, yes, very interesting. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more in here. Actually, I think she added Parmesan. Yes, she added Parmesan. I have some shredded Parmesan here. We're gonna add that much in there. I think for my next cooking video, I am going to bake. I know it's a cooking with Keaton series, but I think I'm gonna bake a cake just because I kind of want to do something simple and fun. And then for the next ones, I want to try like other recipes that you guys send in. Nothing super hard. Actual good recipes that I like want to actually learn and keep using. Oh my god, I just spilled sauce everywhere! Okay, well, I just cleaned up the mess, and now we're gonna try that again. So I am going to take this meat mixture and I'm gonna put it in the bottom layer of this pan. Hopefully, oh my god, I need to like spread this out evenly. I feel like I don't have enough meat, or I don't know how much meat do I put in here? Oh my god, that's like half of it. Okay, now we're going to lay these noodles in here. They definitely did, honestly, dry out a little bit, but you know what? I think it's okay. I'm gonna do a layer like this. I wonder if I need to be covering all the edges. Spread this ricotta layer on here. Oh my god, I said ricotta. I don't have that. This is the cottage cheese layer on here. I wonder if Brandon likes lasagna. I mean, he's probably gonna watch this video and be like, no, I don't, because I don't know what you're doing. Please don't make me lasagna. Why do women have to cook? You know, I just feel like that's like kind of whack. Like, why am I supposed to know that skill? Because it's not something that just like actually comes naturally to you. Like, you have to learn how to do these things. So like men could just pick up and learn it just as easily as women could. So why do I have to know how to do this? I just think that's kind of like lame, but whatever. I feel so sad because honestly these ingredients are not like fresh, like they're just like packaged stuff, and I think that this would taste so much better if it was fresh. But I'm using this packaged mozzarella, and we are gonna layer this on top of this delicious cheese spread that we have, and then I'm just gonna keep on layering. Now we're going back in, we're layering this meat sauce. I don't think I need to put any more on the top. I think after this, I think I only do 2 layers, I hope, because if it's more than 1 layer, your girl doesn't have enough meat. What is a meal that you guys have all the time, or what is like your go-to meal? Like if you have to cook something, you're having friends over, or whatever it is, just something that's really easy for dinner. What is one of those meals for you? I feel like my go-to meal is either spicy fusilli. I really love that, and it's like so easy to make. And also I would say tacos. I always make tacos, or fried rice. I've actually gotten the hang of fried rice really well. Maybe I can do fried rice for one of these videos. I wanted it to be things I hadn't, you know, eaten before or cooked before, but that might not be possible considering this is going the way that it is. The last step of my lasagna, it's officially done, is to bake it. So we're gonna bake it at 400 degrees. Something else that I don't have, so we're gonna see how this does, is I don't have aluminum foil. I have this little plastic mat sheet that you can put it in the oven and like bake with it. Basically, you need the aluminum foil to cover the lasagna so that it won't dry out the noodles. Just on the top, it won't dry them out obviously like on the bottom or anything, but on the top they will dry out if you don't cover them. So I'm gonna just cover my pan with this so that it works better because I don't have aluminum foil. So let's put this in the oven. It looks so good. Oh wow, it smells so good. Whew. Oh my gosh. Guys, it smells so good and it actually looks so bomb. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so this has to sit for 15 to 20 minutes, let it cool down, and then we're gonna cut into it. I'm gonna serve it, and we're just gonna see if it's good. Honestly, okay, this noodle, okay, that noodle's looking crunchy, but everything else looks great. It's a little squishy. I feel like it's supposed to be more firm than this. Am I wrong? Guys, that's not bad. It's not focusing, but it's actually like, it actually looks good. The thing is I didn't, you know, get enough stuff to make more than like 1.5 layers. So I feel like if I could have made more layers, I'm trying to get some extra, you know, cheesiness. It is taste test time. So let's see. It's actually like the perfect warmth amount right now. I'm so nervous, to be honest, guys. I know it's like not that hard to mess up. It's like cheese, meat, and pasta, but oh, that looks good. That's actually so good. Wow, guys. Oh my gosh, I made lasagna. I don't know how long lasagna lasts, but I have now a huge thing of lasagna gonna be left here so I can eat it. So I guess I'll be having this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but this is actually so good. I hope you guys liked this new series. I hope it was somewhat interesting. I'm obviously not a chef. I'm not necessarily teaching you how to do these. I'm just taking you guys along with me. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you guys did. Also, please, please, please let me know some other recipes, things you guys really want me to do. I'm thinking sushi. I'm gonna make a cake next time. I really wanna try some things that are a little bit more difficult. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.